Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One thing you must keep in your mind, in your heart, that is, don't be negative at any situation. Be positive in any situation, in any environment, in every condition. Whether you are in worse or worst condition, think and face positively. If you think and if you take a thing that is something against your favor, against your temperament, and you take it as a negatively, so the impact of this word, uh, this incident has has big impact. Think, look, there is a trend, there is a drama, that is Artugrul Ghazi, that is watched, that is watching in Pakistan and in abroad. Everyone is appreciating that drama. So why everyone is appreciating this drama, this character Artugrul Ghazi? The basic point hidden is okay, that there is a series of hurdles that is facing by Artugrul Ghazi. Even one situation, one hurdle is not finished, other hurdle other hurdle is also come. So he faces every hurdle, every situation with this point, with this thinking, with this positive mind, and this situation, this thought makes him hero. So be think and say ourselves forever that you will remain positive in every situation. One thing is that time is time is variable. There is change. Sometimes it's in your favor, it's sometimes it's against you, but in other place it will be in your favor. So keep positive and wait the change of time. Don't be negative, be positive in every situation. This is my message and this is my suggestion. So be hold with this sentence, you must be positive in every situation. Thanks for watching.